Yeah.
No, back up.
Oh, I hear trees breaking. Holy guacamole. Oh my goodness. Wow. Whoops. Moving. Wow. For God's sakes, just end already. Oh.
A semi-truck in Canada is repeatedly lifted off the ground.
Oh boy, come on, man. Oh my gosh. Oh boy. Oh man. Oh. Oh, not good. Oh boy. Oh, he's right off the ground. Our learning is simple.
Oh no, the tree! Oh my God! Oh, that poor tree!
Ho! Tornado! Ho! Oh my God, tornado! Ha! Maybe this is just straight line wind, but we've got serious... Oh, jeez.
A storm in Iowa does some renovations to the front yard.
Oh, our mailbox broke! Damn it! Oh, serious light flash over there. This is easy 100-mile-an-hour winds. Oh, our tree's gone! We lost 2 trees! Our front yard is gone. Oh, damn, I love those trees.
A German town gets absolutely pelted by strong winds and heavy rain. Strong winds effortlessly lift up an abandoned scooter in Taiwan.
I've got to get some
chainsaw time here, it looks like. Hey, let me step inside the house. That's not good. Yeah. Dude, this is... Whoa, whoa. Get it all on video here. Never the same.
Some people might be late to work after this.
When this happens, that's a tornado.
Yep, that's a tornado.
Strong winds wreak havoc on a street in Canada.
Ah, we lost our Mabel. God dang it.
Strong winds rip off a building roof, almost hitting multiple.
I think this is a tornado. Oh my god. Here's a tornado. Oh my god.
CCTV captures a very strong gust of wind. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time on The Unbelievable.